Hey guys, it's Friday, so I just got off of work, so I'm gonna go and check out Sam's and get some food. And then I'll probably just not ready, so I'm gonna just go to Sam's, do a vlog in there. Why not? You guys are gonna have a great weekend. I'm so tired right now. So I'm done. After 20 minutes I was out of there. So I just bought some meats today because I ran out of meat, so I'm just gonna buy meats. Usually I don't shop if I'm catching the bus, but today I'm doing it. Somehow I gotta do it on my own, right? I just hate catching bus and shopping. So it's so hot here. Look at the sun, it's so Look, all the sun is so hot over here. There's no shade. But anyways, oh, I can't breathe. Guys, I am finally home and it's almost 5 o'clock. I got home about 4:30 and I just took Navia out for a walk. So what I did purchase at Sam's, it was about $63 for all of this. Shopping for one again, you know. So this came with 2. So I'm gonna individually wrap them because it's better for me. And this is another steak. So I'm gonna wrap those individually. And then I got some hamburger. It came with 3. I think the last time it had 6 in there. That's why I wanted to go back and get this. But they only had the one with the 3. And then I bought more hamburgers. So today I might make some hamburger with cream of mushroom and some cauliflower maybe. So I'm gonna separate these. And then I bought some pork chops and some chicken. So I'm pretty much set for maybe a couple weeks, I say. Alrighty, so that's my shopping haul from Sam's today. Hi Navia, I'm sorry, I almost stepped on your tail. You okay? So for the hamburger, I just kind of like made them like this for one serving so I don't waste. So I got a few of them and then now I'm gonna do this. But today I'll be making some hamburger with the cream of mushroom. I'll show you guys how I make it. So I'm just gonna brown this right now. So I just brown my hamburger, then I put the cream of mushroom. So 1 can of cream of mushroom, and you know what is the secret ingredient to make it taste better? It's some mustard. So I'm gonna use some mustard. So I didn't season it. So we're gonna just put some of the mustard. That should be good, or it's up to your taste. I'm just gonna make this with some. I'm gonna make some cauliflower, and then maybe pour it over the cauliflower. The only thing I wanted to try it was with cheese, but I didn't purchase none today. I forgot. Yeah. So that just mix it and then let it simmer just a little bit. So I just heated up some frozen cauliflower in the microwave. So about a handful or whatever is your desire to cook. So this is just right for me. And then I'm gonna put some of this over that. Alrighty, so I just poured it over the cauliflower, and then I put some Parmesan cheese like this because I'm needing some cheese on there. But if I had the like maybe the Mexican or the cheddar cheese, I would have probably popped this in the oven and made like a small casserole. That would have been delicious too. But this is my fast. It was less than half an hour. I cooked it, and it's my dinner for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will sign off, and I will see you guys later. Aloha.